My name is Bruno Forte.
And my name is Ana Maria Forte.
Our business is Swoon Gelato, and our first shop was in Bristol in the United Kingdom.
My personal favorite flavor is tiramisu. And your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor has to be pistachio, as always. With pistachios from Bronte in Sicily, what better flavor is there than that? Well, I came here first of all in 2014, and I did the basic course. And from the moment I came here, I realized that I wanted to open a gelato business because the whole world of gelato was totally new to me and was totally different to everything we'd seen in the UK before. We just want to keep growing our business across the UK and open as many shops and introduce gelato to as many people as we can.
So we always try and keep the best quality, the best product, and try and educate not just UK, but maybe go further afield into the Arab world as well. Maybe that would probably be a project as well one day.